Okay, today we're going to be looking at lowest common multiple. So what does that mean? Well, the lowest common multiple is firstly finding, well, we need to know what a multiple is. So multiple of 5 is 5 times 1 equals 5, that's a multiple, times 2, 10, times 3, and so on. As we go up the 5 times table, there are multiples. We can keep going, and so on. Well, 6 times 1 equals 6, times 2 equals 12, times 3 equals 18, and so on. 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, and so on. Well, we need to find what's common. Well, what's common with 5 and 6? What's the lowest common multiple? Well, I can see 30 and 30 are common, and the next one will be actually 60 and 60. They're also common. Well, lowest common multiple. Well, lowest is what it sounds in the name. What's the first time to get a common one? The answer is 30. Okay. Well, what's the lowest common multiple? Let's get some more difficult numbers. 24 and 32. So 24 and 32, in the last lesson we would have looked at highest common factor. The highest common factor, we find what's common. And we've got another 2. So that's what we're looking for here. Highest common factor equals 2 times 2 times 2, and that equals 8. Okay. Well, here we've just done 8. Now, what's different here is, well, what happens to the leftovers? We've got a 3, a 2, and a 2. Well, what's really cool is, with lowest common multiple, you should get your highest common factor of 8. And you multiply what's left over, and you don't copy them over now. So you've got 3 times 2 times 2, and there we are, 3 times 2 times 2. So 8 times 3 is 24, times that by 2 is 48, times that by 2 is 96. That's our lowest common multiple there. 96, the lowest common multiple of 24 and 32. So let's do a few more examples. 15 and 35, and we want to find highest common factor and lowest common multiple. Well, what's in common first? We've got 5 and a 5. There we go. Look, highest common factor, that's it. It's just 5. We don't repeat them. We use it once. Lowest common multiple, well, it's going to be our highest common factor of 5. Multiply by what's left. There we go. We can see we got the 3 and the 7. Well, 5 times 3 times 7, 15 times 7 is going to be 105. That's our lowest common multiple there. Here, what's common? We've got a 3 and a 3. What's left over? 5 and a 7. So highest common factor equals 3. That's it. Oops, sorry. Lowest common multiple is our highest common factor of 3 multiplied by what's left. And there we are. 5 times 7. 5 times 7 times 3. You're going to get the same thing, 105. There we are. Lowest common multiple. Great. Have some practice questions. Okay, pause the video here. Pause, and then 3, 2, 1. Okay, the answers. Okay, what happens here is some more trickier examples. Well, highest common factor first. What's in common? So we've got 3, 3, 5, 5, and what's left over? 5 and 2. So highest common factor is 3 times 5, which is 15. And the lowest common multiple is our highest common factor of 15. Times what's left over, 2 times 5, and that's going to give us an answer of 30 times 5, which is 150. Great. Okay, try this one here. Pause it. No, I'm going to talk you through it. So let's go really quick through this one. There we are. Okay, what's in common? We got 2, 2, and a 7. Okay, highest common factor, 2 times 7 is 14. Lowest common multiple, well, it's the highest common factor, 14, multiplied by what's left, 2 times 3, 2, 3, 2 and 3. That's going to be 14 times 2 is 28, times that by 3, 84. There we are, lowest common factor, 84. Okay, practice questions, you've got 4 of them, highest common factor, lowest common multiple. Okay, pause it here. And then in 3, 2, 1, oh sorry, the answers, here you go. And then last but not least, Charlie's question here, application. So what's it asking here? 2 weather satellites pass over London Eye at 11 AM. So we've got 2 satellites over the London Eye at 11 AM. And you go around the world, one is 100 minutes, one is 120, and when will they next cross over? So you need to go 100 and 120. Find your lowest common multiple. Remember, I circled the prime numbers. Ooh, sorry. Say what? Keep my good habits. Okay, what's in common? 2, 2, 2, 2, 5, 5, and what's left over? 5, 2, 3. So the lowest common multiple is 2 times 2 times 5, because that's the highest common factor as well. So 2 times 2 times 5. So 2 times 2 times 5. So the highest common factor is actually going to be 20. Multiplied by what's left, times 5, times 2, times 3. Ooh. And that's going to give us an answer of 20 times 5 is 100, times 2 is 200, times 3 equals 600 minutes. There we are. Well, I know that 60 minutes is an hour. So 600 minutes is 10 hours. So we're going to plus 10 hours to our answer. And that's going to give us an answer of 9 PM. There we go. Right, I hope this video helps. And as always, any questions, just get in touch.